morning, everyone. Welcome back to your social science tutorial class. Students, as you all know, I, Saimalini Sarkar, will be taking your social science tutorial class. Let's see what is the chapter that we are going to learn today. Food for thought. We are going to learn the chapter based on food. Now, what is a food? A food is an essential item or thing that a living thing requires to survive, to grow, to live their life. Without food, we cannot think to survive. It is very essential for plants, animals, and human beings to live their life. Now, students, shall we proceed and see what more is stored for us in this chapter? Let's see. What is food? The first and the foremost thing that we have to know is what is food. What actually is this food? Food is a nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink, or that plants absorb in order to maintain life and growth. Now, this nutritious substance called food either is eaten or the people and the animals drink. Either they eat or they drink. They eat food like rice, chapati, wheat, like bread, fish, meat, egg, fruits, vegetables, they all eat. What they drink? They drink juice, milk, tea, coffee, okay? And the plants absorb in order to maintain life and growth. And the plants, with the help of their roots, they absorb the nutrients from the soil. And also, with the help of sunlight and water, they make their own food in their leaf. As you all know, that leaf is known as the kitchen of the plant. They make their own food. Green plants make their own food in their leaf. The process is called photosynthesis. Okay? So you can see here that people, plants, and animals, all of them require food. Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. This food provides nutritional support to the organisms. Food is usually of plant or animal origin and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, or minerals. Food is either made from plants or it is originated from animals. Now, plant protein or plant food, the food that are made originated from plants are like vegetables, pulses, fruits, wheat, rice, and the foods those are originated from animals are milk, cheese, butter, ghee, chicken, fish, egg. Okay? This food contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, or minerals. All these nutrients are very much essential for us. All these nutrients. We need carbohydrates, we need fat, we need proteins, we need vitamins, we need minerals. Food is essential for our body. Food is very much essential for our body. It gives us energy, nutrients, and make us strong and healthy. Food helps us to give energy. All the work that we do throughout the day, like sitting, walking, playing, studying, writing, all this work needs energy. And who provides us this energy? Food that we eat throughout the day. Nutrients and make us strong and healthy. It provides the nutrients like fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and those nutrients helps us to be strong and to be healthy. That means food provides us immunity. Food provides us immunity to fight against the diseases. We need food to live. Overall, food is very much essential to live, to survive, to grow. India is a vast country. We all know, right? India is a vast country. So many states, so many union territories are there. The food that is produced in different parts of India depends upon the climate and soil of that area. Now, the foods, the different kinds of vegetables, the different kinds of crops, the different kinds of spices, different kind of fruits that are grown in India, it depends in the different regions of India. It depends both on climate and the soil quantity of that, or the soil quality of that region. For instance, in area where there is heavy rainfall, farmers grow rice. The regions where there is heavy rainfall, there you will see the farmers are cultivating rice, because the crop rice, it requires maximum amount of water. A huge amount of water is required for cultivating rice. Wheat is grown in Punjab because the climate and the soil are best suited for growing wheat. You will see that wheat is grown in, maximum amount of wheat is grown in Punjab. Why? Because the climate and the soil of Punjab is very much suitable for wheat to grow there. Food of India. Farmers in India grow a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, spices and pulses. We all know that, right? There are various kind of fruits, there are various kind of vegetables, pulses and spices. Now what are pulses? Spices are the dal that we eat. Okay? Spices are the masala that we give to flavor our food, and vegetables and fruits you all know. Food grains. Wheat and rice form an important part of every Indian meal. Now, we human beings, we cannot think our Indian meal or the main meal without wheat and rice. With the help of wheat, we are making chapati, bread. Nowadays, we get Maggi also, right? Paratha, puri. With the help of rice, we are making steamed rice, fried rice, biryani, idli, dosa. Okay? People in the northern states of India generally eat wheat. In the southern states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, and eastern states like West Bengal, Bihar, Orissa and Jharkhand, people prefer to eat rice. Now see, the people, those who are living in the northern states of India, they generally eat wheat. The food, those are produced from wheat, they generally eat those. They generally consume those. They are very fond of eating rotis, chapatis. And the southern states, where the people, those who live in the southern states of India, like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, they are very fond of rice. With the help of rice powder, they make idli, dosa, and you know those are very famous in the southern states. And eastern states like West Bengal, Bihar, Orissa, and Jharkhand, people prefer to eat rice. We eat steamed rice. We cannot think without steamed rice, right? Farmers in Rajasthan grow various types of millets like jowar and bajra, maize, gram, wheat, and groundnuts because these crops require less water for cultivation. Now, all these crops like maize, gram, wheat, all these crops require less amount of water. So, the farmers, those who are there in Rajasthan, they cultivate this kind of crops because the water consumption of these crops to grow is very less. Pulses. Now, what are pulses? I told you pulses are the dal, moong dal that we eat. Pulses also form a very important part of our diet. There is a wide variety of pulses grown in different regions of India. Pulses include kidney beans, that is rajma, lentils such as yellow, green, and brown, and peas like chickpea, the Kabuli chana, and garden peas. Garden peas means the small gram that we eat. Pulses are a good source of protein. Every day we should consume pulses because it is a good source of protein. And we Bengalis, we cannot think our life without rice and dal, without bhat and dal, right? Vegetables and fruits. India has a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. There are plenty of vegetables, there are plenty of fruits that are grown in India. These are available almost throughout the year. Throughout the year, we get those vegetables and fruits. However, some fruits and vegetables are seasonal and are available only for a few months. But there are few fruits and vegetables, those are known as seasonal. Seasonal fruits and seasonal vegetables. Why? Because they are available in a particular month of the year. For example, seasonal vegetable like cauliflower, cabbage, they are seasonal. We get in a particular time, that is in winter seasons. But nowadays, we get it throughout the year. Those are preserved, we get it. But fruits like mango and lychee, particularly you will get it during the summer season. Fruits and vegetables are transported all over India by trucks, boats, trains, and aeroplanes. These are grown by farmers in different parts of India and sold in the wholesale market. Our vegetable vendors buy these and then they sold to us. Different states and cities of India are famous for different fruits. Now, the different regions of India, they are very much famous for different kind of fruits. What are they? Let's see. Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, they are very much famous for apples, cherries, peaches. Ladakh, apricots. Nagpur, Maharashtra, oranges. The Nagpuri oranges are very much famous. Ratnagiri, Maharashtra, Alfonso mangoes. Uttar Pradesh, Daseri mangoes. Assam, Goa, Kerala, pineapples. Kerala, bananas and coconuts. Nasik, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, grapes. Spices. Now, spices is one of the important thing that we need to make our food tasty and also to make our food look delicious. It gives a flavor to our food. Indian food is famous for the different kinds of spices used in it. Indian curry is famous all over the world. Some of the spices used in our food are peppercorns, kali mirch, cardamom, elaichi, chili pepper, lal mirch, cloves, long, cinnamon, dalchini, coriander, dhania, turmeric, haldi, and garam masala, mixture of 4 to 5 spices ground together. Now, what is garam masala? Garam masala is we use different kind of spices the whole spices, we mix them together, we grind them together and make a powder of those whole spices, and that powder that we make is known as garam masala. These spices add flavor to our food. Some leaves are also used for flavoring and seasoning, like the bay leaf tejpata, mint pudina, and curry leaves curry patta. So not only we add spices, but we add leaves also to make our food seasoning and flavoring, to make the food to give the food a new flavor and a taste. So what are the leaves that we add? We add bay leaf, that is tejpata. We have pudina patta, that is mint leaf, and we add curry patta. We add coriander leaves also, dhania patta, right? Medium of cooking. What is the medium in what we cook? Either we cook in oil or we cook in ghee, butter. Yes? So oil seeds. Indian cooking is mostly done in oil or ghee made from the fat obtained from milk. Peanut oil is popular in northern and western India. Peanut oil means that badam oil. It is very much popular in northern and western India. People, those who live in northern states and western states, they use this badam oil to cook their food. Mustard oil, sarson ka tel, that we cook. Mustard oil is mostly used in the eastern states. Orissa, Bihar, then West Bengal, we cook in sarson ka tel, right? That is mustard oil. Coconut oil, nariyal tel, is used in the western coast, especially Kerala. So people, those who are there in the western coast and especially in Kerala, the Keralian people, they cook their food. All their food items are cooked in coconut oil. Sesame oil is used in South India. Sesame oil, what is sesame oil? Sesame oil is til ka tel. You have seen white til. They grind those til and then they extract the oil from there. And that oil, the til ka tel, is known as sesame oil. Corn, olive, sunflower and soybean oil are also popular. However, consuming too much oil and ghee is not good for health. We all know that. Oily food, too much oil is not good for health. Oil should be used in less quantity for cooking food. You make the food tasty. It is not making any harm in it. But you cannot make the food tasty by adding a huge quantity of oil in it. You have to add a few drops of oil or ghee, and you have to make your food to be healthy. We should eat a healthy, balanced diet and do a lot of physical activities. It is not like that every day we are going to eat spicy foods, but we are not going to do any physical activity. Physical activities are very much essential for our life to be healthy. Either we have to do cycling or swimming or walking or running or yoga. Food habits. People of India eat different kinds of food. People who eat meat, eggs, fish and seafood are called non-vegetarians. Those who eat only vegetables are called vegetarians. So there are two kinds of people. One is non-vegetarian and one is vegetarian. Now people, those who eat meat, egg, fish, seafoods like oysters, squids, those peoples are known as non-vegetarian. And the people, those who eat paneer, then spinach, vegetables, fruits, milk, cheese, butter, so these kind of people are known as soybeans. This kind of people are known as vegetarians. Special dishes. Different states of India have some dishes that are a specialty in those states. Vada pav and pav bhaji are special dishes of Maharashtra. You have read, when I was explaining you the chapter Mumbai, you have read that vada pav and pav bhaji is one of the famous dish that is found in Mumbai. Dal bati churma is a popular dish in Rajasthan. Sweet dishes like Rasagolla and Sandesh are famous in West Bengal. Dahi also. West Bengal is very much famous for Rasgulla, Sandesh and Dahi, sweet Dahi, that is known as Mishti Doi. Idli, Dosa and Upma are special dishes from South India. Now let's have a quick recap of the chapter, that what have we learnt. Food which is grown in different parts of India depends upon the climate and soil of that area. Farmers grow a variety of food grains, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Some fruits and vegetables are seasonal. Cooking oil is derived from various sources such as olive, sunflower, sesame, soybean and oil seeds. Spices form an important part of Indian cooking. We have reached to the end of the chapter. We are just going to know the meanings of the difficult words that we have came across when we are reading the chapter. Nutrients, substances that are needed to keep a living being alive. Protein, a nutrient that helps us to grow. Seasonal, found in a particular season only. Wholesale market, a huge marketplace where farmers and producers sell goods. Vendor, a person who sells things. Consume, to take in or to use. So students, we have reached at the end. I think this chapter has helped you all to know about the different kind of foods, vegetables, fruits, seasonal fruits, the special dishes, the regions which are popular for their fruits, the well-known fruits that are grown in the regions of India, and the medium of cooking, that is oil seeds. Please go through the chapter well. Eat healthy, stay healthy and be safe, and do a lots of exercise every day. Thank you students. Bye bye all of you.